So we are back at initialization of our objects in this array. So the other thing you should know about constructors is when you are initializing objects of that, or when you are initializing variables in that constructor, you must put them in the same positions as they are at declaration. So let me show you something here. Like you can see, I don't know if you can see here we have a string in the first position. If you are at initialization here, it also has to be a string. So for that one, it was name. Okay, it was name. Can have their my name, like can have their my name. Then the next one is also a string, and that string can be maybe Wakiso. The next one was an integer, so you can have an integer there. The next one was an integer. Next one was an integer. That's it. I want you to take keen note of this. I don't know if you guys can see, but I want you to see them, and you know that when you are initializing, make sure that you are positioning these values right here according to how you have declared them right here. If what you have in the first position is a string, please put it in a string. String, integer. Don't put quotations on an integer. Quotations are only put on characters, or they are put on strings. Anything that is not an integer, don't put it as an integer. So if this one was a float, something of the sort, this would also be a what? A float. 6.7. I don't know if that can work, but that's how it should be for you. That's how it should be for you when you are making this thing. So what I want is an array of objects, but I want them to be 5 objects. So I don't have time to type all of them. I'll simply copy this and paste it 5 times. 1, 2, I don't know. Yeah. So there are 5. So here I will have a 1. I will have a 2. Have a 3. Those are indexes, and I'm sure you guys already know how to annotate these indexes. So since my array size is a 5, that means I'm supposed to stop on 4. Okay, my array index is a 5, so I'm supposed to stop on a 4. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Yeah, that's it. If you want to go beyond that, then you should be working with the exception of handling array index out of bounds, something of the sort exception. So that's what I have made. I have initialized my array index object, and yeah, let's assume I want to output those things. System dot out dot print line. So I want to output that, and I will output them maybe according to how they are there. Name is maybe yeah. Then I have to concatenate that. So at concatenation, you're going to be using this object here. Okay, you're going to be using these objects here, and you're going to set that object, because you created that object from a class, you get. So you're going to be using that object dot a member of the class from which the object was created. So this is how you're going to make it. I don't know if I still have time to, yeah, I still have time. So if it is that, you're going to be saying stack, the array index is 0, stack dot I want to output stack dot what do I want to output? I want to output name. Yeah. So the first member of the first object was name. Okay, that was Stuart. And so I have to still concatenate that with the next one. The next one is what? Oh, sorry. The next one, I don't know why I'm messing up here. Yeah, shouldn't be messing up here for you guys. What did I have here? I had name, I had I had name, I had district. I don't know why I'm having this, having that. Let's check and see. Insert here. This is okay. So let me be a little bit fast now. So I will have this is maybe that slash n. What I want to output is district. Yeah, something of the sort. And I should concatenate this with stack 0. I'm first working with the first object. Okay, this is the first object. This. So it's the one I'm first working with. I hope you guys don't get confused. So it will be that dot. Sorry. It will be that stack dot district. Yeah. Then the next one can be something, concatenating something else. Yeah. Something that was what? That was A, B, C. Was it? Yeah, you should not always mess up when you're outputting them. You should ensure that they're in the same positions. So that was value of A. Yeah, it was value of A, and that was something. So you will concatenate me. Sorry. You will concatenate me that the first index dot A. Hope you guys can see these things well. Then you go to the next one. I hope I'm not working out of time. I have 7 minutes. So let me make for you guys the first object. Then as you try to code it yourselves, you will definitely try out other more objects. Value of that was a B is equal to. So I concatenate this with stack. The first index of the object, the first object dot a B, this B here. Then I also go to the next one. The next one is what? Value of I have a mistake there. I'll fix it later. Of a C. Was it a C? Where? Yeah, it was a C. So I think we are good to go. That value of C, I am concatenating that with stack. The first index, first object dot that C variable right there. So if you do that for the rest of the objects, then you will not have any problem with your program. You will simply output your program in the best beautiful way that it should be output. So let me run this quick, and you see. I think I missed out something. First, hold on. Yeah, so that